How many of you out there have heard the phrase buy low and sell high in the world of investing? I imagine most of you, if you're into investing, have heard that terminology. It refers to the popular way of investing for capital appreciation. Basically, you try to buy an asset at a low value, you sell for more money, and you earn a profit in between. Now, this type of investing requires a lot of things. It requires timing the market. It requires an active mentality, so watching the market every day. And it also involves taxes, because you have to pay capital gains taxes on your income generated by buying low and selling high. Now, my name is Ian Lopuk, and I want to share with you all today a different way to invest. And it's called investing for dividends or investing for cash flow. Now, I'm not a licensed investment advisor, and this is not financial advice, but I do want to share with you today a passion of mine, which is investing for cash flow. Now, imagine if you could buy an asset, whether it be real estate, whether it be a stock, and you could hold it with no intention of ever selling. You just want to hold that asset, but the asset actually throws off over time cash flow or dividends. This is how I invest. I invest for cash flow. It's amazing because you don't have to time the market as much. You get to hold for the long term, so there's tax advantages, and you just have a long-term perspective, and you generate income over time that could either be reinvested in the stock or asset that you have purchased, or it could be spent to acquire another asset, or quite frankly, to fund your lifestyle, to pay your living expenses. Now, even better, the reason I love dividends so much is high quality companies out there tend to raise their dividends over time. So each year, some of the biggest and best companies in the world, they raise their dividends. Now, what this means is if I buy something now, I hold it for 10 years, those increases have compounded over 10 years. So in 10 years' time, I'm generating even more cash flow, more dividends than I had in the beginning. Now, I love investing for dividends also because I can reinvest the dividends in the same stocks. Now, what this allows me to do is to accumulate more stock and grow my snowball effect, if you will, even more. So it really compounds over time the power of dividend growth investing. So for all of you out there who have just heard you have to buy low, you have to sell high, that's the only way to do it in the world of investing, I just wanted to introduce the concept today of dividends and dividend growth investing, because there is another way, people. There is another way to invest with more of a long-term perspective, and quite frankly, in a way that generates cash flow consistently for you and your family over the long term. My name is Ian Lopuk. I'm a blogger at ppcian.com. If you enjoyed today's video about investing, I invite you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.